If you live in an apartment, installing a security camera isn't always simple. Some cameras require drilling holes. Some landlords don't allow permanent mounts. And some setups just aren't renter-friendly. In this video, I'll show you the best security cameras for apartments that require no drilling, so you can secure your space without damaging walls or breaking lease rules. Number 1. Wyze Cam. Most affordable security cameras. One look at Wyze's prices and you'll be pleasantly surprised. At less than $40, the indoor-outdoor Wyze Cam V4 is one of the most affordable indoor cameras and easily one of the cheapest outdoor cameras, let alone one that offers 2.5K video. We were impressed to find such robust security features in Wyze cameras, especially considering their budget-friendly pricing. With prices starting around $30, you get motion detection zones, virtual assistant compatibility, and sound detection. Wyze's battery-powered spotlight cameras start at under $90, making them some of the most affordable outdoor cameras we've tested. If you want a floodlight instead of a spotlight, the Floodlight Cam V2 is just $99.98. That's $180 less than the Nest Cam floodlight. At that lower price, it features better resolution, a powerful floodlight, and a built-in siren. Number 2. Arlo Top Video Resolution. For anyone wanting high-resolution footage, Arlo offers security cameras that record in 2K and 4K. The Ultra 2 we reviewed even adjusts the resolution based on connection quality. It's ideal if you live in an area with spotty internet. On top of the high-tech capabilities we mentioned before, Arlo offers flexible setup options too. When we tested the Arlo Pro 5S, we could plug it in or use its built-in battery for power. It also featured magnetic mounts, so we could put it up anywhere with ease. The new Arlo Pro 6 offers these features as well. With these premium features and flexibility, Arlo's prices are on the high end. There's the $199.99 Arlo Ultra 3, for instance, that offers all of their capabilities, including 4K resolution and an ultra-wide viewing angle. Number 3. Nest, most compatible with Google Home cameras. As we mentioned earlier, we think Nest cams work best with ADT security systems. They also function as a standalone device. Even without an ADT SAP, you can connect Nest cams to Google Assistant and access advanced features like facial recognition, motion zones, and sound detection. All Nest Cam models come with facial recognition technology, which Google calls familiar face alerts, but you'll need a Google Home Premium subscription to access the feature. We find it well worth the $10 per month price that Google Nest charges. Before recognizing people, you need to teach your Nest Cam's faces by assigning names to pictures. This process took about 2 months for people our cameras saw on a weekly basis. Once it could recognize the people we wanted it to recognize, alerts told us whether people seen are familiar or strangers. Number 4. Buy Swan SWDVK 445802V for local video storage. Swan cameras feature impressive long-range color night vision, heat sensing, two-way talk, floodlights, competitive pricing, and compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant. All Nest Cam models come with facial recognition technology, which Google calls familiar face alerts. But you'll need a Google Home Premium subscription to access the feature. We find it well worth the $10 per month price that Google Nest charges. We bought Swan's 4K floodlight security camera, which cost around $200, to test out these functions and were left impressed. On top of all of Swan's standard features, it also featured a dimmable floodlight that enabled it to capture clear recordings of the street in front of our house about 100 feet away at night. Number 5. Eufy Indoor Cam C120 for Apple HomeKit integration. Very few security cameras work with Apple's voice assistant, Siri, like the Eufy 2K indoor camera does. This camera let us view live video feeds on our phones just by asking Siri. Plus, we got 10 days of extra cloud storage through our iCloud subscription. While not really a feature, eufy's pricing is one of its biggest selling points. For instance, the eufy Indoor Cam C120 we bought only cost us $42.99. Normally, a camera of this caliber costs over $100. It has 2K resolution, and we could record footage directly to a microSD card, so we didn't need a cloud subscription. Unfortunately, the dual storage option is the biggest feature of eufy's cameras. We also like that they integrate well with Apple products. While they're not nearly as advanced as Nest cams, they're also half the price. If you're also comparing the best outdoor cameras overall, I've made a full buying guide you should watch next. And if this helped you protect your apartment the easy way, hit like so more renters can find it.